All right, guys, we just got to the new job site. We're doing a block wall today. My guys just got here, and it's funny because this is actually my neighbor's house, and that's my house right there. So got to sleep in a little bit today. But yeah, we're gonna pop these caps off, extend this block wall 2 courses, and then we're gonna close this gate up right here. Take the gate out and put the new block wall, and then put the stucco. So yeah, we're gonna get down to business. We got Enrique here, the main man. Yes, sir. And we're gonna get down. Let's do it. All right, so this is the setup. We got about 12 inches down and 13 inches wide. We got 2 number 3 bars running horizontal, and we got verticals with L's coming up every 32. So that's the setup right there. Now we just got to start mixing some concrete. The guys are mixing the concrete out of my trailer. We're gonna start building the block up. All right, back here I'm just gonna be putting some waterproofing, Henry's waterproofing, down on the bottom 2 courses because it's actually below grade a little bit. Oh, I forgot my paintbrush. I'm just gonna use this paint roller right here to apply the waterproofing. We got right here Henry sealer and damp proofer. You can see there's an image of a guy applying it on the wall, so it's got to be good for this. But it's really messy, so I'm gonna try to be careful. So today I gotta pour in a little strip of concrete here, let that dry up, and then on the back side of this wall, let me show you what's going on. So as far as the back side of this wall goes, we got most of it stuccoed yesterday. The painters are gonna come in and paint this. We also waterproofed the bottom 2 courses, so let's get down to business. I got a little bit of a trash load I need to take care of too. I'm gonna run to the dump today after I get all this work done, and that'll wrap this job up for my neighbor. So yeah, it was a nice job. I'm happy I got to work for them. They're real nice people, and let's keep it pushing.